For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Cryptocurrency investing has grown exponentially in the last decade, and artificial intelligence, AI, is making it more accessible and smarter than ever. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, AI can help you make more informed decisions, manage risks, and automate processes. In this guide, we'll walk you step by step through how to buy cryptocurrency using AI tools and platforms. Step 1. Understand the basics of cryptocurrency. Before diving into buying crypto with AI, it's important to understand the fundamentals. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency secured by cryptography. The most popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Solana, SOL, and BNB. Crypto transactions happen on decentralized networks using blockchain technology. You buy and store crypto through exchanges and wallets. Tip: if you're new to crypto, start by learning on trusted platforms like Coinbase Learn, Binance Academy, or educational AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Bing Copilot. Step 2. Choose a reliable AI assistant. AI tools can help you identify promising coins, predict market trends, recommend entry and exit points, manage your crypto portfolio. Top AI tools for crypto investors. ChatGPT/OpenAI. Ask questions, analyze white papers, compare coins, and simulate investment strategies. CoinMarketCap AI tools. Use the site's built-in AI to track, rank, and evaluate coins. Token Metrics offers AI-driven crypto ratings and predictions. Crypto Hopper uses AI for automated trading bots. Sandymint and Into the Block provide AI-powered blockchain analytics. Step 3. Define your investment goals. AI tools work best when you give them a clear objective. Think through, how much are you willing to invest? $50, $500, $5,000 plus. Are you looking for short-term trading or long-term holding? Do you want a diversified portfolio? What's your risk tolerance? You can ask your AI assistant, what's a good crypto investment strategy for a beginner with $500 in medium risk tolerance? Let AI suggest asset allocations and strategies based on historical performance and market sentiment. Step 4. Select a crypto exchange that integrates with AI tools. To buy crypto, you'll need an account on a crypto exchange. Some exchanges now offer AI-powered features or can connect with AI tools. Popular exchanges with AI integration. Binance offers AI market analysis and portfolio bots. Coinbase offers AI-based price alerts and educational tools. Kraken works well with external AI trading bots. eToro offers AI-driven social and copy trading. Crypto.com has a built-in AI assistant for tracking. Tip: use ChatGPT or another AI to compare exchanges. Which crypto exchange is best for low fees and AI tools? Step 5. Create your exchange account. 1. Go to the exchange website, e.g. www.binance.com, www.coinbase.com. 2. Sign up with your email. 3. Verify your identity. Usually requires uploading an ID. 4. Add a payment method, bank account, credit/debit card, PayPal. Ask your AI, how do I verify my identity on Binance if I live in Florida? It can give you a region-specific answer and help troubleshoot. Step 6. Use AI to research the best coins to buy. Now that you're ready to invest, use AI to analyze coins. Ask your AI, what are the most promising altcoins under $1 in 2025? Compare Ethereum versus Solana for long-term growth. Which crypto has the best developer activity and community support? AI can analyze real-time data, news, developer activity, and technical indicators to make suggestions. AI research tools like Token Metrics and Lunar Crush also use machine learning to rank coins by sentiment, technical strength, and fundamentals. Step 7. Use AI to time your purchase. Timing matters when buying crypto. AI can help analyze charts and predict trends. Use tools like ChatGPT with plugins, like TradingView. Ask for chart analysis. Crypto Hopper or 3 commas. Use AI bots to automatically buy a sell based on patterns. Sandymint offers behavioral analytics, e.g., whale activity, social buzz. Example question to AI. Is now a good time to buy Bitcoin based on RSI and MACD? Your AI can give a technical analysis-based answer or point to current charts and indicators. Step 8. Make your first purchase. Once your research is done and you've picked the coin. 1. Log into your exchange. 2. Go to the buy or trade section. 3. Select the cryptocurrency, e.g., BTC. 4. Choose how much to buy. 5. Confirm the transaction. Most exchanges also let you automate purchases, called DCA, dollar cost averaging, an AI-recommended method for reducing risk by buying at regular intervals. Step 9. Store your crypto safely. Use AI to learn about crypto wallets. Hot wallets. Online, easier to access, MetaMask, Trust Wallet. Cold wallets. Offline and more secure, Ledger, Trezor. Ask, what's the best wallet to store Ethereum securely in 2025? AI will explain the pros and cons and even guide you through setup. For large investments, AI will recommend cold storage to minimize hacking risk. Step 10. Set up AI alerts and portfolio monitoring. After buying, stay informed. AI tools can monitor your portfolio and send alerts. Tools to use. Crypto.com AI Assistant tracks market movement and portfolio health. CoinStats and Blockfolio, now FTX app AI-assisted alerts. ChatGPT custom GPTs. You can build or use one to track your portfolio and suggest rebalance times. Ask, notify me if Bitcoin drops below $60,000 or if Ethereum gains 10% in a week. Step 11. Use AI to optimize and diversify over time. AI helps not just at the beginning, but throughout your investment journey. Rebalancing. AI can suggest when to rebalance your portfolio. Tax optimization. AI tools like CoinTracker and Coinly use machine learning to optimize tax loss harvesting. Market news. AI bots can summarize breaking crypto news in seconds. Ask, what should I do if Bitcoin suddenly drops 20%? Or should I diversify into DeFi tokens or AI tokens? Step 12. Keep learning and improving with AI. Cryptocurrency evolves fast. Use AI to stay on top of new coins, airdrops, regulatory updates, emerging blockchains, scam warnings. Examples. What are the most promising crypto airdrops in 2025? Is Pi Network legit or a scam? Explain the difference between ZK rollups and optimistic rollups in Ethereum. AI assistants are always available and improving, making them a powerful companion in your crypto journey. Final thoughts. AI makes crypto investing more approachable, safer, and smarter. By following these steps, you can combine human judgment with machine intelligence to buy crypto with more confidence. While AI won't eliminate risk, it can help you manage it and make better decisions. Key takeaways. Start with education and goal setting. Use AI to research, analyze, and select coins. Let AI help you with timing and automation. Keep your assets secure and track them with AI tools. Learn continuously using AI-powered news summaries and insights. Whether you're investing $50 or $50,000, AI is a tool that can enhance your strategy and help you navigate the volatile world of crypto investing. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.